Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So today I have the McLaren Senna in blue color from Mini GT TSM model. So this is a very nice model. At the back we have the official TSM logo and an original McLaren product sticker as well. So this is I think the first time that I have seen a company sticker on a TSM model. So pretty nice. And as you can see, I have already unboxed it because there is no plastic wrap on the top. So let's unbox it and see what we get. And this is the model number 232. So if you want to get it, just type mini GT models 232 and you will find it, the exact model I think. So it is nicely packed in this foldable style plastic case, and here it is. So let's quickly take it out of its packaging. And it's very heavy indeed because it's a full metal model with some plastic parts and rubber parts. So we'll discuss that later in the video. So let's take a closer look at it. So here is the model, and as you can see, it is very nicely detailed, and I will be comparing it with the Hot Wheels McLaren Senna which I have, and that way you will be able to find the difference that the model has because of the price, because this is I think the 10 times of the price of the Hot Wheels car if you buy it from a shelf or at the retail price. So let's take a look at the car itself. So at the front we have the red color vents, and at top we have the headlights which are plastic inserts. As you can see, at the front we have the McLaren logo, and I don't think my camera can focus more closer than this, so I think it's visible. So if you have a magnifier lens, you can check that out if it's visible or not, but from my perspective it is visible. So that's, I mean, look at the size of it with respect to my finger. So as you can see how small this logo is, but to fit that much detail in this size logo is pretty nice. Then we have the windshield wipers and the front hood, and then we have the side wheels. These are all rubber. With every other mini GT model you will get rubber wheels, so a nice detail there. And for the first time I think I have seen here the side mirrors are actually metal, so easily breakable I think in this case. So other models are made out of rubber, so that way if you accidentally struck them they will not break away, they will just bend and resume back their position, but it is not the case here, but still a nice detail. And these are all silver colored, so as you can see they are both silver colored to mimic the effect of a mirror, which is one of the details that many car manufacturers miss, so it is spot on there. And the interior also looks very nice, so let me just see if I can focus it there. So I have increased the brightness, and now you can see the inside of the interior, which looks very nicely detailed with all the seats and steering column. The dash also looks pretty nice. You can see here we have the center column. Now let's move on to the back. So both sides we have the cooling intake vents on either side, as you can see, and the engine is back here I think. Yes, it is. So as you can see with this small window you will be able to see the engine details, which is not colored, but for this model I think it's okay. And then we have the rear vents, as you can see, with the exhaust pipe in silver color, which is the thing I absolutely love about this silver colored exhaust pipes. And then we have the spoiler, which is the most unattractive part that I find of this car, because it is stuck out from the main body too far away. That's why I don't like it very much. And I think it's plastic. Yes, as you can see it is wiggling a lot, so I think it's made out of plastic, but it's okay because this model is pretty heavy in itself, because it has a metallic base. As you can see the car manufacturer logo, the model name, country of origin, and the actual manufacturer of this car itself, so very nice indeed. And underneath here we have the rear diffuser, as you can see. So if you look at from this side it will look very nice. So all in all, a very good model. Now let's compare it to the Hot Wheels one. So in the orange car we have my Hot Wheels model, and the blue one is obviously the TSM model. And right away you can see the difference in both the cars, how they look. And for the Hot Wheels one, I think there is no actual interior in the car, it is just all black painted. So a 1.2 McLaren Senna in the blue, and if you look, it has rubber tires with plastic rims, and obviously with Hot Wheels we have plastic tires only, so 1 point there as well. But I think that all the points will be gone to the car in blue, so we'll just ditch the point system from now on. And if you look closely, the details are almost similar, but we have a few minor changes that makes this car a lot more collectible. Is the fact that it has side mirrors, and the Hot Wheels ones do not have any side mirrors at all. And then the back spoiler looks a lot detailed in the TSM model, and in the Hot Wheels model it is good, but not good as the TSM model, obviously because of the cost. And you can see the difference there, and from the top. And the Hot Wheels model I think does not have the exhaust system in place. It is, but it is very, it is just like a dent on the body. But for this obviously there is a very detailed exhaust pipe, so I think it is worth the cost. So there it is guys, the TSM Mini GT McLaren Senna. And hopefully, and I hope you like this video. So if you do, please hit the like button. If you don't, please hit the dislike button, and please subscribe my channel, and I will see you all later.